In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the best project management tool with Gantt chart features. The first thing you want to do is get clear on the project management features you actually need. This is important because not every team works the same way, and not every tool is built for the same kind of project. Think about how you plan tasks, assign responsibilities, track deadlines, and monitor progress. If your projects involve multiple phases, dependencies, or shifting timelines, a Gantt chart can be especially helpful because it gives you a visual timeline of the entire project. Starting with a clear list of needs will make the rest of the process much easier and prevent you from getting distracted by features you may never use. Once you know what you're looking for, start searching for tools that include Gantt chart functionality. Some well-known options include Monday.com, ClickUp, Rike, Asana, Team Gantt, and Microsoft Project. At this stage, you're not choosing a winner yet. You're simply building a short list of platforms that appear to match your workflow. Try to focus on tools that are commonly used by teams similar to yours, since that can save time later. Next, compare each tool's Gantt chart features carefully. Not all Gantt charts are equally useful. Some tools offer simple timeline views, while others allow you to set dependencies, adjust schedules by dragging tasks, track milestones, and monitor critical paths. Look closely at how flexible and detailed each chart is, especially if your projects are complex or deadline driven. After that, check the pricing, user limits, and free trial options. A platform might look perfect at first, but the cost can increase quickly, depending on the number of users or premium features required. Free trials are especially valuable here because they let you explore the software before committing. Make sure you understand what is included in the plan you're considering so there are no surprises later. From there, test the tools that seem to match your workflow best. This hands-on step is one of the most important parts of the process. Try creating a sample project, building a timeline, assigning tasks, and adjusting deadlines. This will help you see whether the platform feels intuitive in real use, not just on a feature list. As you test, compare ease of use, dashboards, reports, and integrations. A good tool should not only manage timelines well, but also make it easy to see overall project health and connect with the apps your team already uses. Finally, choose the tool that best fits your project needs and budget. The goal is to find a solution that supports your team effectively without adding unnecessary complexity or cost.